Customer called me on a Saturday afternoon, said, man, I need a refill. I said, what happened? I had a combine fire. I said, oh. So knowing it's a multi-shot can and it doesn't take much to put the fire out, I said, dude, you probably used too much. And he said, dude, I don't care, man. You saved my combine. I'll do it again tomorrow.
So we'll show you now how a stop fire actually works. Start out by putting a little bit inside the glass here. Now, you look at it, you see it moving around and it bubbles. I can touch it, doesn't hurt me, doesn't leave any mess behind. As quickly as it possibly can, what it's doing now is turning back into its natural state, which is a gas. When we make it, it's a gas, we pressurize it, liquefies it, put it inside the extinguisher. All right. Fire, stop fire. I like to point out to people too that literally every conceivable detail of this fire extinguisher has been planned. It looks like a very simple vessel, but looks can be quite deceiving. Everything from the design of the dust debris cover all the way to, as I've explained to people many times, the plastics we use, the adhesives, the powder coating, the labeling, the metals, everything.
I actually came from the fire service. Okay, so I kind of have a passion for this type of work. Honestly, when I saw the product, how it performs, I was just blown away.
What's special about Stop Fire is that there is nothing else out there like it that is as easy to use as our product. One of our core values is improve obsessively. We are always on a daily basis trying to work to make sure that we are providing the best possible fire solution to our customers. It is our primary goal to make sure that our customers have what they need when they need it.
Quality is our big objective. We have a lifetime guarantee on all our products because we use the best suppliers we can. Anything that leaves here is tested multiple times. We want to make sure our product goes out and it's right the first time.
We have it listed, 9 points of why the product is so good, right? I mean, that's the core, that's the ribeye steak that we deliver, that everybody, this is how you explain the product. But at the end of the day, really what it comes down to is peace of mind. Because we sell something that is absolutely critical in the time that you need it, and this thing will work. It'll work every time, without fail, guaranteed for life. To me, that's peace of mind.
So you want to get that fire out as quickly as you possibly can. Naturally, then you want a lightweight, easy to use, intuitively designed product to be able to do that.